TikTok power couple Matt and Abby are facing serious backlash after getting caught up in several controversies, causing the stars to clap back at some of the accusations. During a family cruise, some fans accused the parents of using FaceTime to monitor their sleeping toddlers back in their room while they were dining on the ship. But the couple turned to TikTok to address the allegations and insisted that they didn't leave their kids alone.
And people started to speculate and believe that we had left our children alone in their staterooms. And that is just completely untrue, because we had someone with our children at all times on this boat, period.
I can see where my story did lead to misunderstanding, which is why I ended up deleting it several hours after posting it.
We take our role as parents extremely seriously, and we love our children more than anything in the entire world, and we're very protective of our kids.
Many fans shared words of support for the parents, as one fan wrote, "Honestly, you don't owe anyone an explanation or an apology. This is your family and you do whatever is best for your family based on your judgment. You guys seem like really caring parents." But the controversy doesn't end there. Fans called the couple out after they shared their decision to boycott Father's Day in 2024, opting to celebrate it in September to avoid overlapping with Matt's birthday.
We've decided as a family that we are not celebrating Father's Day this year.
Boycotting Father's Day for the month of June and celebrating it 3 months after my birthday.
This choice, discussed on their podcast, was met with criticism from those who felt it was self-centered of Matt, especially considering Abby was pregnant during the previous year's celebration.
Last year was June 18th, which is Matt's birthday, so he had Father's Day and his birthday on the same day. And
so sad.
I will say I am disappointed in myself, but I did kind of combine the holidays.
You did combine the two of them. It's okay though. I mean, you were pregnant, you were uncomfortable, you were close.
We just gotten back from our baby moon that day.
It kind of was a bummer because it was like, those are 2 days.
I failed. I'm gonna be honest with you, I failed you. I'm so sorry.
But you know what? It's all right. Like, there's a lot going on.
Fans furiously branded Matt as selfish, while some suggested he was acting like a baby. The ongoing drama has since caused the stars to finally address the backlash on their podcast.
I think it's funny now. I'm like, that is so stupid. I mean, the words I said too were so stupid as well. Like, I obviously did not sound good at all. The clip that we put out, I just looked so selfish. I looked so full of myself.
I didn't watch the clip, and maybe the clip made it look really bad. In which case, that's on us, so I guess we had that one coming.
Many fans were in agreement that whilst the comments were selfish, they were young and still learning how to be parents.
Matt and Abby's story started way back in the day when they met at a theater camp in St. Louis, Missouri during 8th grade. They went through the classic long-distance high school relationship struggle, but reunited at Missouri State University. Their relationship went into full fairy tale mode when Matt proposed at Disney World. Fast forward to 2019, the couple tied the knot during their sophomore year of college. The Howards weren't always internet famous. Their rise to fame began in 2020, during the COVID-19 pandemic, when they started posting more about their relationship on YouTube and TikTok. Things really took off for them in 2021 when Abby announced she was pregnant with their first child, Griffin. While Matt was sleeping, Abby decided to film her reaction to a positive pregnancy test, which made for some wholesome content for their followers. Their genuine shock and excitement resonated with viewers, and suddenly, Matt and Abby were all over everyone's FYPs. The pair continued to grow their influencer status, and yet again went viral at the end of 2022 when Abby discovered she was unexpectedly pregnant with their second baby only a few months after having her first. They posted their raw, somewhat startled reactions, and thanks to the video, they managed to secure another handful of followers. Whether you find their content entertaining or cringe, Matt and Abby have definitely mastered the art of keeping people talking. Their openness, whether it's sharing pregnancy news or personal conversations most of us would keep private, has made them a uniquely polarizing couple on social media.